Stein has been doing a great job. He has laid out the foundation of what occurred on that platform. He has made it clear that Mehserle intentionally pulled out his gun and did exactly what he did when he shot Oscar in the back, and that is he committed murder. I've never had issues with the jury. I've said from the beginning that the jury is not the issue, whether it's been all black, all white, Hispanic, or Asian, even mixed, right? It's not the jury that we're concerned with. It was the evidence that was presented in this case that became our concern, and that we know that if the jurors are given the correct evidence, all the evidence, they'll make the best decision on the evidence that's presented. Oh, we know they haven't been given all the evidence. The evidence that Mehserle intentionally filled out a form that said that he did not commit an act accidentally when it came to shooting. It hasn't been talked about him beating up another African-American male prior to killing Oscar. It hasn't been talked about him having this so-called lovable, huggable personality in high school, yet got kicked out of high school because of an act considered racial. There's many things that was hidden in this case that could have showed, as far as I'm concerned, what his true character makeup is. I blame the system. The system denied us the right to have that evidence presented. Had the media been allowed in this courtroom, then the world could have seen the system at work, and we would have seen it working in a much fairer way. The verdict is left to the jurors, not us. And we trust and believe that the jurors will make the best decision. A second-degree murder is what occurred. Involuntary manslaughter is not acceptable. The video speaks clearly to the world what occurred on that platform. There's no circumstantial issue concerning what occurred. From the very start, after the shooting, a fabrication by the police department, the BART officers began. Immediately after the shot, you can see Tony Peroni began to lie for Mehserle. And not only that, all other BART officers tried to continue that lie. From the video, there is no doubt, when we look at that video, that Oscar was murdered, period. We've been emotional from day one, and we're still emotional today. But we're trusting and believing that the verdict that's supposed to come will be second-degree murder.